Now, what you can also do is, so for example, if I go back to my reports, you might say that, well, yeah, this out of the box report was fine, but it'll be even nicer that if certain more columns were present in it or certain fewer columns were there in it. So what you can do is you can actually make a copy of this out of the box template and then make changes to that copy. And I will show you that in just a minute. So it will let you actually replicate the template and actually, well, it's a fully working template, so to speak, right? It's not just a dummy template. So it's an actually working template. So when you make a copy of it, it actually becomes a working copy, that is, right? And it finishes copying here in a second. So, and there you go, report copied successfully, and it will appear here. And actually, let me delete this previous copy so to prevent confusion here for a minute here. So basically, once you do the copy, and so that's my copy, I can go and edit this copy. Now, editing will land me into a report editor of sorts that will actually let me, add more columns or remove columns and such. So for example, I have, my access permissions allow, basically there's a big list of all the columns that my user has access to. And you can say that, well, I want this report to show me the phone number of the person, right? So drag and drop, that's my phone number. And I want this report to show me, and actually you can go to other tables, like let's say you want to see information from positions. You can say that, well, show me if that position this person's working on is a full-time or part-time position, drag and drop, same thing. So FTE, I want FTE information, so drag and drop. So basically, much like OTBI, you can do this on these standardized templates. You can create your own filters, you can, and of course, a little bit of training is required, but you will get the hang of it very, very quickly. You can create your own pivot tables, alphabetical sorting. You can say, well, sort this report by person number. If two people have same name, then sort by, first one is person name, that is. And if two people have same name, then sort by person number as a second tier sort and such, right? So all of that you can do all by yourselves, right? And all in Excel. Right? Yeah, I didn't even leave Excel anywhere right now. And then you hit save, right? So next time when you run this report, this will be your modified report, right? So you can see that your changes will appear, and it will actually show you those two new columns, and all of that basically will be part of the report going forward. So that's how running the report works. And like I said, this is all real-time live data, right? So it will let you run these reports just like that, right? So all of this is pretty much out of the box templatized.